Have you ever been stuck with a 10% battery and no charger in sight? Imagine your phone lasting hours longer just by tapping a button. So whether you're using a Samsung, iPhone, Tecno, Infinix or OnePlus, this power saving trick is a lifesaver. Don't scroll past because this simple feature works on almost every smartphone, and I will show you how to find it on yours. So stay with me, this might be your new favorite setting. So first you go to open the settings app. So on Samsung you tap the settings, on all phones tap settings, follow along, and then tap battery. Some will have it as battery and device care, then battery. So mine, I will just go straight and tap the battery. So if you're using Tecno, Infinix, go to settings, battery lab, or just battery. On iPhone, scroll to battery in the settings menu. For OnePlus, it's under settings and then battery. So now you have to turn on enable power saving mode. Tap on power saving on Samsung. Tap on power saving on Samsung. Then on Tecno, Infinix and OnePlus is battery saver. So this is it, battery saving here. So on iPhone you will see low power mode, just toggle it on. Some Android phone even allow extra settings like turning off background apps, lowering brightness, limiting CPU speed. Go ahead and customize if you want to extend the battery life further. So what we do is, for Samsung, how to customize the power saving option, or if you're using Samsung, tap it. Okay, you can fine tune your power saving mode. Tap the three dots here. Oh no, yeah, or details. I don't know how it's looking on your phone, but from here you can either tap the three dots or details, and then here you can choose to turn off always on display, lower brightness, limit CPU and restrict background app. So when you want to set what you want to happen whenever you turn on the power saving mode. So if you don't want the always on display, kind of drains the battery sort of. So you can set this to and then whenever you turn on power saving mode, it will limit all this. Okay, so it's you have to set your preference. Okay, so this happened when I said that. Okay, so now you can add shortcuts to this. So you want quicker access on Android like Samsung, Tecno and Infinix, just swipe down from the top to tap the quick settings panel, right? This is the quick set and find the battery saver. This is it here. Long press to go straight to settings. So if you long press, that's the shortcut. It takes you directly to the power saving menu. So on iPhone, just add low power mode to your control center from settings, control center, and then customize controls. When to use it: use power saving mode when your battery is below 30%, or anytime you'll be away from a charger for long, like traveling, long meetings or outdoor events. Okay, now you've unlocked one of the most useful features on your phone. Wasn't that easy? Let me know in the comments what phone you use and how much battery life you got from this tip. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share with someone always running low on battery, and of course subscribe for more everyday tech tips.